In this video, you're given a variation problem. X varies inversely as y. And we have to solve for A, B, and C. The equation for x varies inversely as y is x is equal to k divided by y. And in the first pair, if x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 5. So we can put here 4 is equal to k divided by 5. And if we multiply both sides by 5, the denominator is gone. So our k will be equal to 20. Save that. Now let's look for A. Our x is equal to 5, so we'll put 5 here. Our k is 20. We put 20 here and then divide by A. And then multiply both sides by A. That's 5A is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 5. And our A is equal to 4. We put 4 here. And then let's look for B. If x is equal to 8. So we replace x with 8. And then our k is equal to 20. And in the denominator, it's b. That means we can multiply both sides by b. So 8b is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 8. 20 divided by 8 is 2.5. So our b here is 2.5. And lastly, let's look for C. Our C is equal to x, so put here C equals to our k, which is 20, and our y, which is 2. 20 divided by 2, you simply get 10. And that is the value for your C. We replace this. These are your answers. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.